guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn sort of the lead part for Cardigan by Taylor Swift. And it's that in-between part, and I'm going to show you a way to play it on guitar. I know it's played on keyboard in the recording. And stay tuned for a later video. This is more geared towards beginners, and in the next video I'm going to show you, if you are getting into finger picking a little bit, I'm going to show you a way that you can play it that way, which is a great thing to do to get those extra parts in if you're playing acoustic and singing by yourself and things like that. So stay tuned for that video. That will be coming out next week. So stay tuned for that, but today we are going to take an easier version of it. You're going to need a capo, so make sure you got that. We're going to put it on our first fret because this song is in F minor. You don't necessarily have to have it for this one, but if you would eventually like to do the finger picking version, I would suggest you learn it this way so that you already are familiar with playing it this way. And that'll help you learn that other version a little bit easier. So guys, if you enjoy my channel, click that subscribe button. Check out my description to get signed up for lessons for my guitar community, to get private lessons, group lessons, things like that. Do it all online, and you can find all that information in the description below. I've got some courses coming out very soon that are going to be geared all towards Halloween and Christmas, the seasonal time of the year. I'm going to do some bluegrass stuff starting in November, sort of a folksy type thing. But starting in October, it's all Halloween, scary, spooky stuff. So if you have a request, I have a lot lined up, but if you have a request, I promise you I'll get to it. So leave that in the comments below, even if it's not a Halloween, spooky, scary song. So let's get started. Make sure you have your capo here. If you don't have a capo, you're going to be out of tune with me, but you can just listen to my frets and I can tell you how to play it that way. All right, so we're going to start on the 2nd fret on the high E string. And there's really, let me see, there are 3 different versions of this, and it depends on which part you are in the song. So the main thing that it does is this thing. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to be on the 2nd fret, and we're going to do a pull off. So that is when you play the fret and you lift your finger up so that your open E plays when you lift it. And you kind of pull it off. And then you're going to go to the 3rd fret of the B string and then the E string. So that's the first version, and that's all it does, and that's the one that it does most of the time. All right, let's do that again, really slow. Ready, go. All right, so all through the verse, it does that version. Now, when you get to the chorus and it goes to this D chord, you're gonna do, and then go back to the 2nd fret rather than doing the E. Then you do the normal one again. And now this is the other different one. So the first one is when it goes to the D at the beginning of the chorus. Then the next one is the normal one. Then it's going to do this. And then go back to E, then 3rd, then open. So that one is. So the chorus does all 3 of the different ones. So let me show you all of them. So the first one is 2nd, then E open, then the 3rd one, then the last one, just the middle one. Then you just keep doing that one. So that's the only time that those other two occur. So let's go through that part again. We're only going to go through the chorus part, and then if you want to play along with the whole thing, there will be a tab with that at the end of this video. So play along with me starting at the chorus, and the tab should be below. Ready? And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And that's pretty much it, guys. Short and sweet. So stay tuned for the finger picking version that I'll have coming out next week. Click that subscribe button so you'll know when I put it out, and I'll see you next week. Bye.